Good morning children. Today in your GK class we are going to study about a healthy treat. These are some fruits and vegetables given here. You have to fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these fruits and vegetables. See, first picture, this is an apple children. Complete the spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E. It is grown in hilly areas. This is a mango, M-A-N-G-O. It is known as the king of fruits. These are spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Leaves, they are good for skin and hair. These are grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S. They grow in bunches. And these are carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S. They are good for your eyes. Children, apple जो है वो hilly areas में grow करता है. Then mango, this is the king of fruits. Spinach leaves, they are very good for skin and hair. Grapes, they grow in bunches. And these are carrots, they are good for your eyes. Now see the next chapter. This is animal world. You have to identify the correct animal. Which is the tallest animal in the world? The tallest animal in the world is giraffe. So in giraffe, it is written here E. So you will write down in the box E. Which is the biggest animal on land? The biggest animal on land is elephant. You will write down C in the next box. Which animal is known as man's best friend? The man's best friend is dog. D. Write down D. Which animal helps us carry loads? It is donkey. So F. Write down F here. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? King of the jungle is lion. You will write down A. Which animal is the fastest? It is B. Cheetah. You will write down here B. So now see the next chapter children. Colorful flowers. You can see so many flowers here. The first flower is rose. You will write down the spelling of rose, R-O-S-E. Then second, it is lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Third, sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Fourth, marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. So, some plants grow in water. Our national flower lotus is one such plant. कुछ plants ऐसे हैं जो water में भी, कुछ flowers ऐसे हैं जो water में grow करते हैं जैसे lotus. See the next chapter. Food for animals. You can see here children 5 pictures of an animal. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. वो animals जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. कौन कौन से animals plants खाते हैं सिर्फ? वो हैं goat और rabbit और elephant. तो उनके आगे आप herbivores का H लिखोगे बॉक्स में. And animals which eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. और वो animals जो flesh खाते हैं दूसरे animals का उनको carnivores कहते हैं. तो like tiger and jackal. तो आप उनके boxes के आगे C लिखोगे for carnivores. See the next chapter, finding animal homes. अब आपको यहाँ पे animals दिखाए हैं. इनके होम्स को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सी डॉग. यू कैन सी अ डॉग लिव्स इन अ और आप यहाँ तक लाइन ड्रॉ करके लाएंगे. इट इज कैनल. अ डॉग लिव्स इन अ कैनल. देन हॉर्स. हॉर्स की लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे आप. अ हॉर्स लिव्स इन अ स्टेबल. देन दिस इज हाइव. हाइव किसका हाउस होता है? इट इज बी. बी से आप ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करके लाएंगे and it will go to hive. A bee lives in a hive. Then an ant. Ant lives in a, you can see ant की लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे आप. Ant lives in a ant hill. And a lion. A lion lives in a, you can see here lines ड्रॉ करेंगे and it goes to den. A lion lives in a den. So a dog lives in a kennel. A horse lives in a stable. A bee lives in a hive. An ant lives in a ant hill. And a lion lives in a den. So children, today you have learned 5 chapters. That is a healthy treat. In this chapter you will learn the spellings of these fruits and vegetables. Then animal world. In this you will learn which is the tallest animal, biggest animal, man's best friend. You will learn the spellings of these animals. And then colorful flowers. You will learn the spellings of these flowers. And which plant grow in water? It is lotus. Then 4th chapter, food for animals. You can learn that the animals which eat only grass are called herbivorous, and the animal which eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. And the last chapter, finding animal homes, you will learn the animal homes in it. So children, this is your homework for today. Thank you.